Can somebody explain to me why do secret love letters are so amazing and inspiring? This is the case for today's ephemera, following the prompt list for Dephemberember. Now I am making day 17. Hello friends, we have only one more day, and that's going to be tomorrow, and I'll be done with Dephemberember for 2024. As I said before, I'm taking my time and I am enjoying the process. And a lot of inspiration came into my head, into my soul, into my mind when I read this prompt about secret love letter. So I looked in my stash and I found these beautiful girls all holding hearts that I print out from a freebie from 49 Dragonflies. And I keep them in my stash. And as you can see today, I'm going to be using one of them. So I am working inside the envelope and I'm placing a window that I got from a magazine. And on top of it, I'm gonna glue the one of the girls, the one I picked, because I think that is very contrasting with the green and with the black frame. I glue a butterfly on top of the closing of the envelope. And also, before the video, I open up the envelope and I got some scratches because of the glue, but I'm gonna fix it right away before this video comes to an end. And as you can see here, I'm just cutting the extras. I want it to be perfect and nice, and I want it to be closing amazingly so I can glue the back on my journal for this amazing prompt, envelope flip, and secret love letter. The good thing is the magazine pages are really thin, so it is very easy to fold them so the envelope can still hold the shape, like the original shape. See what I'm talking about? I have those two white parts, but I'm going to cover them with a tiny piece of cardstock, a white cardstock. And at the same time, I'm going to be making little envelopes too. This is an applique. It's really strong, and it was very hard for me to sew it on a jacket. But I love it for this prompt because it has a butterfly and a lot of pink color on the heart. So I'm going to be using it here today. And these are the tiny envelopes I'm making. They're easy to make. You just need to cut strips of papers and then make the shape on top of the paper as a triangle, like an original or a normal envelope, and then you fold them in three parts. And as you can see here, doesn't matter if the laterals are open because you can always go ahead and open and close them very easily. And also, I grabbed that forever from a magazine too, and I'm going to be using it to give it a finishing touch to this amazing and lovely page. Now I'm going to cut the little strips so I can cover that part where I wrap the envelope because of the presence of the glue. I'm going to try to make them even I can, and it was a little bit different, but then I cut, I re-glue, and now I'm going to place, guess what, two of my tiny envelopes on one of each flaps. So as you can see here, it is amazing and I really love it. I have no words to say how much I am loving this ephemera for today. And of course, I'm being loving also the page. And let's look for the page so we can just glue all the elements and come out with another amazing page. So I'm using staples because remember I told you the heart is really thick and it's hard to glue on a page. And this is the final result. So I did some doodles inside the envelopes and they came out really nice. I am in love with the results, and a lot of secrets are inside every one of these tiny envelopes. We all have secrets of love, right? What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about this page? What is your inspiration to go ahead and make a page with envelope flips and secret love letter? And as I said, this is only one more day to go and we're going to be ready with Dephemberember 2024. Thank you again. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. And remember, leave me a thumbs up. Click in my picture to subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to leave you two amazing episodes. So just go ahead and watch it. I see you very soon in my next creative episode. Bye, friends. Bye bye. Bye bye.